Okay, so hey everybody, I want to just take a minute or two to show you a page on the Alpha Dog Capital website where you can download a free report. I'm getting a lot of questions about investing in single family houses in general. And since this is what I do, I've made this report available. Anybody can download it and you can take a look at it. So I'm going to share my screen. You can get to this page on the alphadogcapital.com website through the first page, but in the show notes or in the description of this video, there's going to be a link that will show you this page. So this free report doesn't really tell you anything about a particular investment opportunity, but it's educational material so that you can understand investing in single family houses as an asset class and how this may be the type of asset class that you would like to invest in, regardless of how you do it or which fund you invest in or what opportunities that may be available to you. So you can go to this page and you can download a free report that explains how to build wealth by passively investing in single family house projects. Now, a lot of people that get into real estate maybe buy a rental property, maybe they start there, or some of the bigger investors with lots of money to deploy, they deploy their money in big funds that take down retail or commercial property, which might be retail or hotels or multifamily properties, large apartment complexes, that sort of thing. So really big, huge projects, some of these things can be. But a lot of people don't understand that the same idea or the same structure can be used to profit as a passive investor in single family houses. And people really like single family houses. I find that this is, if you're new to alternative assets and investing into real estate as an alternative asset, single family homes makes a lot of sense because it's an asset class that most people can understand and without doing a lot of research compared to understanding big commercial deals and how to run the numbers and analyze the deal. Most people find it a lot easier to understand how to evaluate a single family house project and a fund where this type of activity is taking place, where investors can put their money into. So this free report, when you come to the page, you can obviously click on download your free report now. That'll scroll you down to the bottom of the page where you can just put in your name and your email address, and you'll automatically receive an email to download the report. And I just want to take a minute to show you kind of what's in the report. You'll have all kinds of information that you can access. It's appealing to look at and read. It's not heavy on text. There's a lot of graphs and a lot of information, and it's formatted in a way that you can browse this very easily, but it's really rich with a lot of data and a lot of information. So you can, take time and absorb some of the information over time if you want, and use it to access to gain more knowledge, or you can actually browse the document pretty quickly to get a broad overview very quickly by looking at the charts and the different data in the report. So this really, for a lot of people, is a great first step, and it could be a very eye-opening experience for you to take a look at this report. So go ahead, click on the link, and gain access to it. And when you get to the bottom of the page, just give me your name and your email address, and you will be sent this report right away.